Okay, Mia, don't panic. You are not lost. You are just very far from your tour. No signal? Great. My phone is now a very expensive flashlight. Tour guide? Hello? Green hat guy? Anyone? Hi. I'm Mia.
Leo, nice to scream you.
You mean nice to meet you?
Right. Nice to meet you.
I'm lost, and my phone is dead.
Oh no, your phone died? Should we call ambulance?
No, my phone is dead means the battery is out.
Ha! In my country, only people die. Phones just sleep.
Well, in English, phones die dramatically.